Hello Internet and my YouTube subscribers and my unsubscribed potential subscribers. Please like and subscribe if this content is what you are looking for. I authorized the mail-in repair. It's a local. Done one of these before for him, and I've done a few others. I've posted a couple on the channel. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, there's a little pull tab on this one. Let's see what's in this. Keep that away. I used some pretty good bubble. And it's another Mitsubishi transmission controller. That's what it is. So, yeah, the capacitors go bad in them. Let me double check and see what we got going here. And nobody's attempted to repair. No liquid damage. Public video allowed. Yes, this is awesome. So I can post this. No next on the bench. And he wants me to ship it back. So I don't see the required payment. So we'll have to send an email on that one. But because generally mail orders are paid up front, so I will continue on with the video. But the 5 capacitors, which I stock them, need to be replaced. So I will score it and cut it open because it is a sealed unit. And I'm not going to do a in-depth video on this one. I will do some documentation as I always do for repair records. But yeah, this is another Mitsubishi Pajero transmission controller. So I might do some in-depth video on this. I don't know. But there it is.